Let's now check on developments in the local bourse. We have Joey Roxas of Eagle Securities on the line for our market forecast. Hi, Joey. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mai.
All right, the index has breached 7,000 prior to market recess. Of course, market analysts expected this to happen, but do you think this will be sustained, and for how long?
Well, we have a new target in sight, and that's between 7,150 and 7,002. Although, of course, there could be some corrections along the way. On the downside, maybe support would be at around 6,920, around there. So from here, we could of course there could still be a correction because we've been going up for a few days already, but it should hold at around those levels.
Okay, but what is affecting trading today? Are we looking at new catalysts?
Well, of course, the foreign markets always have some effect. And then there's still some spillover effect from the lower than expected inflation numbers that came out last Thursday.
What's the trend in trading today, given the PSEI's gains?
Well, the opening was quite strong, and then it just stayed there. It hasn't really moved so much anymore. No, even though there was some profit taking, so it seems that it's being absorbed also.
Okay, what trend do you see in the coming days, and what stocks should we keep an eye on?
Well, there should be a correction in the next few days, maybe as early as tomorrow. But I think we should start picking up again. Stocks to watch would be still the blue chips, I think, at this point in time, because it's the index that's moving the other stocks. No? So we should stay with the index in the meantime. And that would mean the real estate and the banking sector, I think, is starting to become active. What's
your advice for investors, Joey?
I think you should stay for a while. There's really, unless you're really very, you watch the market like with a magnifying glass, no? But you don't need to do that, and I think you just hold on until the earnings season comes in middle of next month, middle of August.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us today, Joey.
Okay.
Joey Roxas there of Eagle Securities for today's market forecast.